Enjoy added maneuverability when cleaning your home with this bagless vacuum cleaner from Vax. Multi-surface cleaning can be done with ease thanks to the multi-cyclonic technology that provides a strong suction whether you're on a carpet or hard floor, so you can enjoy the same spotless results time after time. The lightweight design makes maneuverability a simple task. Weighing just 5 kilograms, you can move around hassle-free and effortlessly clean upstairs or even inside your car. With the useful 3-in-1 tool, you can get better access to awkward corners and areas that can be tricky to clean. And once you're done, emptying the dirt canister is quick and simple, giving you absolute cleaning convenience. Keep your carpets and hard floors looking clean and dust-free, thanks to this lightweight vacuum cleaner from Vax.